fresh start. It's been a rough year for everyone, I think.
I think we just need to start again. I think we need to reevaluate what's important in life.
Hope everything just goes back to normal now in 2017.
I just finished college and I don't really know what I'm doing, so definitely travelling, trying to discover new places, new cultures.
So I've been away from home almost 5 months now, and it'll be another month till I get home, so we get home 2 days before 2017, so I'm very much looking forward to having some time at home.
Me and my best friend are moving away, and I think it's I guess an important year for me.
Not really big plans, just, trying to progress further and just trying to be a better person, I suppose, hopefully.
I would like to find really job of my dream.
I'm moving to San Francisco. I'm looking forward to Sun.
I'm excited to see what happens post-college life in a different city. Kind of a little bit scary, but exciting at the same time.
New Year, new me, all that kind of stuff. Although I hate that. I don't want the gym to be packed. I don't want everyone to be in the library.
I'll just be hoping to see a year of a little bit more inclusivity and open-mindedness.
I have to say I've been blessed in 2016. I'm looking forward to another year, to be honest.